How to change screen password on your Windows PC or laptop. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily change the password on your screen in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to change your password on Windows 11 or Windows 10, first of all you have to click on this window icon and click on settings. After that click on this accounts option and click on sign in options. And here you can see password, click on it, and here you can see change, click on it, and here you have to type your current password and click on next, and here you have to write your new password and again repeat new password, and here you have to write a password hint, click on next and click on finish. And I have successfully changed the password on Windows 11. So guys, in this way you can easily change your password on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.